everyone, and welcome. Today, we are tackling a common and often frustrating Oracle error, ORA-01031, which means insufficient privileges. This error can be especially tricky when it pops up inside your Oracle stored procedures. You might run a SQL statement directly and it works perfectly, but when that exact same statement is part of a procedure, you suddenly hit ORA-01031. Don't worry, we'll break down why this happens and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the core issue. When you execute a stored procedure, it runs under specific security contexts. This context determines what privileges the procedure actually has. The main culprits are usually missing direct grants or issues with how the procedure's definer or invoker has privileges. Our first step to resolve this is to identify the exact statement causing the error. If your procedure has multiple SQL statements, you need to pinpoint which one is failing. You can do this by adding logging or commenting out parts of the code until the error disappears. Next, we need to understand the procedure's execution privileges. Oracle procedures can run in two main modes, AUTHID DEFINER or AUTHID current_user. If your procedure is AUTHID DEFINER, which is the default if not specified, it runs with the privileges of the user who created the procedure. If it's AUTHID current_user, it runs with the privileges of the user who is calling the procedure. This distinction is crucial. Most of the time, the ORA-01031 error in a definer writes procedure means the owner of the procedure is missing a necessary privilege. Now, for the most important part, granting the correct privileges. For stored procedures, Oracle has a specific rule: privileges granted through roles are often not available to definer writes procedures. You must grant the required privileges directly to the procedure owner. For example, if your procedure needs to select from employees table, you should run grant select on employees to procedure_owner_username. If it needs to insert into orders table, it would be grant insert on orders to procedure_owner_username. If the procedure is performing DDL operations like create table, the owner needs grants like create any table. After granting the necessary privileges directly, the next critical step is to recompile the stored procedure. Oracle needs to reevaluate the procedure's permissions after new grants are made. You can do this using alter procedure_name compile, or through your IDE. Finally, test the procedure again. Run it with the same parameters that caused the error previously. If you followed these steps, your ORA-01031 error should now be resolved. Thank you for watching this guide on fixing ORA-01031 in Oracle stored procedures. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions, and consider sharing it with others who might find it useful. Your support helps us create more helpful content. See you next time.